Hello, I'm Dez, and it's time to talk tires. Certified Service is the only place to bring your EV in for tires. A good set of tires is crucial to the performance of your Chevy EV. Hi, Steve.
Hi.
So tire rotation, can you tell us why it's so important?
Two reasons, your safety and your range. Tire rotation is important specifically on EVs because they're a little bit heavier. And part of that is you'll have a different wear pattern that comes up than you're used to from a conventional vehicle. Every 7,500 miles, you take it to the dealership, have them do a rotation of the tires, take them off, look for any wear patterns, any damage, and it will maximize your efficiency as an EV owner.
Can you tell me about the tires on Chevy's electric vehicles?
So all Chevy EVs are thoughtfully designed. They all have low rolling resistance tires, and that's very important to EV owners because they want to maximize the range and get as far as they can on the charge that they have.
So how do the tires affect the range on an EV?
The tires have the low rolling resistance, which means the force required to make them turn is less. And so less energy required to turn them translates to more range on the road.
So how can you tell when your tires need maintenance or if you need new tires?
Each one of our tires that we have has a wear indicator on there that will start to show when you have about 1.6 millimeters of tread depth left. And so that's your indication to then go to a Chevy dealership. They have the best tires and they have the EV specialist to help you pick what's right for your vehicle.
Because tires are important.
They are important, very important. You can't go anywhere without tires.
That's true. So there you have it. Bring your Chevy EV in today for expert tire care.